I've just made a bot with a response and latency time of just around 1 second that checks for calendar availability regardless of what you use. ServiceTitan, Housecall Pro, Cal.com, Google Calendar. Checks for availability, drums up interest for whatever you are selling, books the job in for you, and immediately adds that to your calendar. Here's the demo I filmed for a client that's in the manufacturing niche specifically, but this is a combination between two agents working simultaneously together. So it's not just one agent booking and handling everything. It sounds and looks like a team is working for you. One is the appointment setter salesperson, and the other one is the actual appointment booker. And once they drum up and confirm interest, the one transfers the call to the other, and it sounds amazing. This is probably one of my proudest bots I've built so far, quite honestly. This has been a baby that I've been working on for way too long. And I'm super excited because nobody really in the AI agent industry knows how to do this process seamlessly. Because if you build bots, by the way, you know perfectly well that if you want the agent to be smart enough to handle complex questions related to scheduling and time zones and availability, and then hooking up to your dispatching software and booking that job, you know that then you're sacrificing latency, which is the number one thing that makes a bot sound like a bot. But this has been finally solved with having two agents work simultaneously. Take a look at the demo. If you need an example like this build for your company, let me know. You know, it's Christmas, so I can at least get you a demo if you're interested on how that sounds for your company. But take a look at this because it's been the most exciting project I've been working on. How's it going, team? I've improved the voice, improved the flow. Here's a quick demo. I'm not going to be difficult with objections. I want you to see just the flow. And then, yeah, let me know what you think. Here's a demo. Hello.
Oh, hey, is this Carlos?
This is Carlos.
Hey, Carlos, it's just Alison here from Kavita. Excuse me for contacting you out of the blue, but I help manufacturers solve issues with AI. I wanted to be proactive and reach out to you too because next week I'm meeting with a manufacturer in the area to help their procurement team understand how to automate post-PO processes using AI. Carlos, just curious in your case, is AI on the agenda for you guys at all?
Yeah, it might be. I mean, we're shopping around looking at possible solutions, yeah.
Gotcha. So since I'm chatting with the manufacturer next week anyway, would you be against having a 15-minute catch-up over a cup of coffee so I can share their insights with you too?
Sure.
No worries. Can I get you over to Kate here at the office? She'll help us find a good date and time to talk.
All right.
Alrighty. Just a moment while I connect you to Kate to schedule the meeting. Cheers. Hi Kate, I have Carlos on the line. He's interested in discussing AI solutions for his manufacturing needs and would like to schedule a meeting. Hey Carlos, Kate here. I'll find you a good meeting slot and get you sorted. Is that okay?
Sure, thanks.
Great. What date works best for you?
Usually Thursdays work the best for me. I mean, this week is packed.
Gotcha. Let me peek at my calendar real quick. How about next Thursday, November 14th? What time works best for you?
Actually, do you guys have something tomorrow?
Let me check the availability for tomorrow. One moment, please. We have availability tomorrow, Tuesday, November 5th from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. What time within that range works best for you?
Let's do 12 p.m. Yeah, 11 p.m. is actually going to be very difficult for me, so yeah.
Perfect. We'll go with 12 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Now, could you please provide your email address?
Yep, it's Carlos at rankunlimitedseo.com.
Okay, so
so your email is C as in Charlie, A as in Alpha, R as in Romeo, L as in Lima, O as in Oscar, S as in Sierra, at Rank Unlimited, R as in Romeo, A as in Alpha, N as in November, K as in Kilo, U as in Uniform, N as in November, L as in Lima, I as in India, M as in Mike, I as in India, T as in Tango, E as in Echo, D as in Delta, S as in Sierra, E as in Echo, O as in Oscar, dot C as in Charlie, O as in Oscar, M as in Mike. Is that correct?
Well, that was a very quick-witted word game, but yeah, you got that completely right. I know it's a lengthy email. I apologize.
No worries at all. Now, could you please share your company name?
Yeah, it's Carlos Steel Fabrications.
Great. Carlos Steel Fabrications. And lastly, could I have your phone number, please?
Yep, it's 319-365-5214.
Okay, so your number is 319-365-21414. Is that correct?
No, sorry, it's actually 319-251-3465.
Got it. So your number is 319-251-3465. Is that correct?
Yep, that's right.
Your meeting is all set for tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern Time.
Cool. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. One last thing. To make the call even more valuable for you, are there any specific post-PO challenges you're experiencing that we can cover together in the call?
Yeah, if you guys have any solutions where we could talk about fragmented data, that's actually a massive problem we're facing in the industry right now and company-wide.
Got it. Fragmented data is a big challenge. The team will definitely keep that in mind for the meeting. Do you have any other questions?
That would be it. Thanks. Yeah, could you just, sorry, I forgot. God damn, my memory escapes me. Could you just confirm the time of the meeting?
Of course. Your meeting is scheduled for tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. The team is excited for the meeting.
Oh, okay, sorry, because I'm in Pacific time. So what is that in Pacific time?
No problem. In Pacific Time, your meeting will be at 9 a.m.
Oh, okay, and I also have a colleague in London. So what is the what time is that gonna be in London?
In London, the meeting will be at 5 p.m.
Alrighty, everything works, sounds good, and yeah, let's see what you guys got, and yeah, thank you for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you for the call, and the team is excited for the meeting.
Cheers, thanks.
Goodbye, and have a great day.
Alright, so this is the flow. You guys have all the information, phone number, email, who, what, where, and why, and you guys got everything. So let's get, this agent is a monster at booking now.